Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I am Sally. Thank you so much for all the shorts that you've been watching lately. I've been doing more of those, but now I'm getting back into doing some YouTube videos. So today's video, I am going to be doing some rag rug making. So, like this. So shall we get straight into it then? Okay, so I'm going to fold the hessian under like so, and then I'm going to grab my rag rugger through the hessian, pull it up, push it down so that we can get that gap open by I'm just pressing the thumb there on that area, and then clip onto the end and pull it through. You can change directions, you can go whichever way you want. So let's go this way, a few notches across, push it through, open up and grab the end and then pull back. And the reason why I'm just pushing that under is hopefully it is not going to fray. I just really like this technique. It's I put a shorts up just the other day actually of a rag rug that I made over in lockdown time, and hopefully you enjoyed that one. And so I thought, oh, let's have a go at another one, but with some fabrics, some colours of fabrics like these ones, as you know I really love, so these colours. So when you get a little gap like that, you can always turn your hessian fabric and then pop over the other way. And what I'm going to try and do is do some of these darker chocolate brown satin colours down at the bottom, and then just follow all the other colours up and see what sort of effect we get from it. So I think you get the general gist. It's really quite easy. And then fold it under again, through there, come up, let's come up there, pull that through. So these little lengths, they're not too long, a couple of inches, are going to give us quite a short effect, or we can just trim some of these down. Okay, so that's how it's looking. I didn't go all the way across because I ran out of that chocolate brown satin. So, and I've tucked it under over at the side here too. So that's the width. And then I'm going to go all the way up with these other colours. How are you doing there, Layla? Hey, how are you doing? I'm just about now, well, I've just put 2 strands in there, but I'm just going to introduce this next colour. So there's a few gaps and holes that I can just start blending it in and working my way up. That's with the other fabric that I was going to add into there. It's looking good. Nice little blend and flow going in. So let's move on to these ones. Look at that texture. Ooh. Hello, Layla. You come to see Sally? Oh, yeah. Oh, Yeah. And a little stroke. Yeah. You're a bit cold from being outside. You can stand all over my work. Yeah. You gonna go in your bed? Oh, you just want to say hello. Just want to get warm. Tickle, tickle, tickle on your cheek. Oh. Such a pretty girl, aren't you? So pretty. Coming back? Okay. Okie dokie. Let's move this out the way. Here we go. Look at what Sally's doing. That's where I'm up to. I've just got a little bit left, haven't I? Another stroke. You love a little stroke on your face, don't you, like that? Off she goes. Can you do my back, Sally? Can you stroke my back? Oh, you have a little nap? So that's where I'm up to. Just got a little bit left to do, and I've just got these two colours left. Oh, and again. There we go. Right, let's carry on. We've had enough of that colour. Let's go with this one. So I'm still folding the edge over so it doesn't fray. Where are you going to sit there? I'm just going to poke that down. It's a bit more difficult because it's the double thickness there, but easier as it pushes across. And pull that through. So that's it finished. I've just tried to trim that down. I don't want to go too far down with the cutting because I do quite like it, that shaggy effect. But maybe I'll do some more videos to show different effects that you can do with this rag rug making. But I think it works really well with the colours that I've chosen. And yeah, the back looks like that. I really like the back as well. It's always the case, isn't it? But yeah, I guess you could probably do some different shapes as well, not just the rectangles. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this technique. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you did, do give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, I would love to have you as a viewer, so please do think about subscribing, and I shall see you in the very next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.